to see in detail about classification of wine. Wine is classified on the basis of following factors: natural or still wine, sparkling wine, fortified wine, aromatized wine. Let's see more in detail one by one. Natural or still wine. There are 4 types of still wines which are differentiated by the colors: white wine, red wine, rose wine, blush wine. Let's start with white wine. White wine color ranges from pale straw with a green tinge to dark gold. White wines are produced from both white and black grapes. If white wine is prepared by using black grapes, then the skin of the grapes must be removed soon after crushing, to prevent the juice to taking on the color from the black grape skin. Red wine. Red wine color ranges from purple when young and to brick red as it ages. Red wines are produced only from black grapes. The black grape skin is allowed to remain till fermentation. The color pigments present in the skin gives color to the wine. Rose wine. Rose wines are light pink in color, which is produced from the mixture of white and red grapes or only red grapes. The skin of the black grapes are allowed to remain in contact with the pressed juice for 24 to 36 hours depending in the intensity of rose color required. As soon as the required color obtained, the skins of the grapes will be removed. Blush wine. Blush wine is the new style of rose wine developed in California, USA. Skin of black grapes are allowed to macerate with the grape juice for a very short period. This process will convert the must into very light pink colored wine. Sparkling wine. Sparkling wine are fizzy wines. Carbon dioxide is introduced into sparkling wine during secondary fermentation to make them fizzy. The gas is prevented from escaping. The trapped gas is the result of secondary fermentation in bottle or in sealed tank. The alcoholic percentage is between 10 to 13%. The bottle glasses used for sparkling wine must be thick to withstand the pressure of the gas behind the cork. Champagne is the undisputed king of sparkling wines. Fortified wine. Fortified wines are called as heavy wines. Fortified wines are strengthened by the addition of brandy either during or after fermentation. The alcoholic strength ranges from 15 to 21%. These wines can be had before or after a meal. Examples are sherry, port, marsala, and Madeira. Aromatized wine. Aromatized wines are also known as aperitif wines. These wines are fortified and aromatized with herbs, bark, spices, roots, flowers, quinoa, or other botanicals. The alcohol content is normally 14 to 20%. Vermouth is the most popular aromatized wine. To learn more about vermouth, kindly check the link in description. Let's see how wines are classified by the taste. According to the taste, wine is classified into dry, medium and sweet. Dry wine. Dry wine is produced when all the sugar is converted into alcohol. Medium wine. Medium wines is neither too dry nor too sweet. It has traces of sugar left after the fermentation. Sweet wine. It is obtained when there is some sugar left after fermentation. Fermentation is stopped naturally or intentionally by the manufacturer. I believe you get some useful information about classification of wine. To know more about wine history and production of wine, click the link below in description.